Welcome back, friends, to Surviving the Daily. I hope everyone is surviving well. So, a company called Fintiso reached out to me and asked me to take a look at one of their knives. And before I agreed to it, I did check out their website as well as their Amazon listing, and I kind of liked what I saw. So, they did send this out to me at no cost for my review, just to make sure I make that disclosure. And let's take a look at it. So, we do have a pretty decent packaging here. Kind of has a velvety feel to it. And we have the Fintiso folding knife new. G087. This is the Fintiso Hapre series. A little box in a box, and it kind of has another velvety feel to it. And this has magnetic closure. So they did do a pretty good job on the packaging. We have endless exploration, endless sharp. Do with that what you will. The Fintiso use manual. And in 2022, Fintiso was founded with a single unifying vision to be the ultimate enabler for global communication of outdoor enthusiasts. I feel like I should read this with James T. Kirk voice. But we have precautions. Basically, knife is sharp, don't do dumb things. Warranty and knife care. Well, first, we got to get through the knife case here. And pretty decent knife case. And the more I look at it, the nicer it gets. We have some nice elastic on the side here, on both sides. And a nice soft interior. So we have your usual sticker, your cleaning cloth, and kudos to Fintiso for adding extra screws. That is awesome. That doesn't happen often enough with knives. We have the knife itself. As you can tell, it is an aluminum scaled handle knife. Actually, it's a 6061 aircraft grade aluminum alloy handle or scales. And we have, looks like tip up, right-handed carry only. They could have, looks like, made it left or right-handed, but they chose not to. We do have a lanyard hole, dual thumb studs, perfectly centered. And let's take a look at the blade. So it's a 14C28N blade steel, Swedish blade steel. And it is nice and snappy. We do have a button lock knife here and very drop shutty. That is nice. Well done. So according to their website, which I think may be a mistake, it says copper ball bearings. Well, according to their Amazon listing, it's ceramic ball bearings. I got to go with Amazon. It definitely feels like ceramic. So overall length of the knife is 7.3 inches. The blade is coming in at 3 inches. The handle itself is measuring 0.51 inches, and the blade is measuring 0.11 inches thick. You can get it in a G10 handle. So, just a couple criticisms. First off, get rid of the Fintiso on the blade. We do have your billboard. We do have your logo here on the pivot. That should be more than enough. That got rid of that Fintiso on the blade. That would class this knife right up. Second and last criticism. We do have some milled liners, but this knife is coming in at 4 ounces or 114 grams. It is one heavy knife. I feel like they could make those liners a little thinner and create some weight savings. It is something you're not going to forget you have in your pocket, because it is a heavy knife. I gotta say, well done, Fintiso. This is a good knife. You can pick this up off their website for $43, free shipping, or you can go to Amazon, and currently at the time of this video here, you can pick it up in a bundle with another knife for $78. Not quite sure if that's something you'd want to do, or something that they will change, but it is a pretty darn good knife. Well done. So that is the Fintiso Hapre series. I want to thank you for stopping in, checking out this video. I want to thank Fintiso for sending this knife out for review. I hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll see you next time.